Yeah, feels like I'm right where I'm supposed to be. Tell them it's
Got out there.
Been focusing on growth.
Like doing a little work.
Passing the real. Just keep it real, that's more importantly. And never show them no fear. Gave you my all, what more you want from me? But still I give. Yeah, I'm right where I'm supposed to be. Tell them it's been focusing on growth, you see.
Hey man, say man, it's your boy man. We back at you with another video, man. Right now we finna go out and do this little biker boy shoot tonight. Finna do a little, I guess it's like they little 45th annual, but it's their annual retreat type thing. And so yeah, we're finna get out here and move around, see a bunch of nice bikes, biker shit, man. Y'all just stay tuned for a lot more.
So when the police come right here, they gonna be snapping, doing the fireworks.
They up there now, right?
No.
It's supposed up there.
And by the time, see, once they map past that hall, by the time they pulling in, they gonna have another one. So I slick wanna do 2 cameras. That's what I probably been trying to sell them this year. 2 cameras.
Double quick over there, you know, typical spot. There's a hot spot in the neighborhood, well, the city. Everybody be hanging out over there though.
You had the LED lights showing on the top.
From my older video?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Right now it's kind of like, you know what I'm saying, a bunch of dead setup stuff.
Gotcha.
So it'll be, if I use these shots, it'll be kind of showing them setup. So I'd rather go and use these shots than
Tell them it's been focusing on growth, you see. Do the past and the real. Just keep it real, that's more importantly. And never show them no fear. Gave you my all, what more you want from me? But still I give.
Tell me what you want from me. Baby girl, I got it. This shit don't come easily. Girl, you know we got it. Don't know what it mean to me when I say
Open the fucking door, bro. Open the door. Alright, we're not gonna goddamn food.
Some cow there. They on some bullshit.
Hey, hold on. They coming. They coming. Hold up, they coming, girl. Hold what you got. Put his motherfucking hand on me. I don't give a fuck. I'm not getting in the motherfucking truck with your ass. I'm not getting in the truck with your ass, man. Got me fucked up. You don't have to put your motherfucking hand on me, dog. What the fuck wrong with you? Fuck you, man. Fuck you. I ain't no motherfucking dog out here.
Wow.
Got me fucked up.
See him go to jail. He's out of here. I guess she's trying to find her nice little stance on the bike. Oh yeah, there she goes. She done propped the leg up now. Got them boots on, do a little happy dance.
every year I'm a blast off, taking off like a rocket. 1, 2, 3, that's set go. Got the gas, no set go. Try me, watch my set go. Animals like that.
Shit got real quick. Yeah, there you go. They popping that. I got none just pull back up. I like this joint.
Posted up on flash shows, Green Bay letting packs go. Hopping on the wall like Lambos, dream cars and big goals. Staying down, that's 10 toes. Keep it real, I never fold. Even though I know some told. Bros up hoes, you know the code. Whole lot of shit you didn't know. Mississippi, it barely snow. Preaching something I didn't know. Gaining wisdom, it's time to grow.
I'm just trying to make a way.
Now what you say you trying to sell them 2 looks?
Man, you know, just when it comes to events and trying to get the level of content that we want to be able to capture, sometimes it requires two cameras. And tonight is a situation we probably gonna, well, the only way we can't exercise if we get one more person in play, because we're gonna need a driver now, and then we need somebody already up front with the second camera.
GoPro.
But we're gonna slap the GoPro on the bike. That's third camera. That's more so, you know, for that third person view.
Hey man, say man, it's your boy man, Mucho fucking Profit. Hey, if you like this video, hit that like button down below, subscribe to the channel, you know, all the YouTube shit that follow procedure. Hey, follow me on all social media platforms too, at Mucho Profit or at Woodhead TV. You know, Woodhead TV. Yeah, go like, subscribe, drop those comments below.
Everybody say they got a hot 16, but they don't know how to MC. And everybody say they the man in the city, but they really ain't seeing no G. And everybody say they trapping them keys, get caught up and they telling police. Man, everybody say they carry a piece when the piece come out, they go peep. Everybody wanna be the man in the streets, but first you gotta learn to keep it G. Said everybody wanna be the man in the streets, but first you gotta learn to keep it G. Said everybody wanna be the man in the streets, but first you gotta learn to keep it G.
One more time.
Said everybody wanna be the man in the streets, but first you gotta learn to keep it G.
This shit I might say,
This shit I might say,
this shit I might do.
this shit I might do.
Might be offensive,
Get out of the fence,
but only to you.
get the fuck out the fence.
I'ma do me,
Then I'ma do me.
you just do you.
Please be
Kick a little flavor,
fuck all he said.
then tie up my shoe.
No, we will not lose.
I'm gon' give me some loot, give me some loot. Kick out my boots, go holler school. Roll up some swishers, then sip till we through. Come from the slums, a lot to prove. Come from the slums, a lot to prove. Give it my all, ain't shit to lose. We raising the roof, ain't have no clue.
I got mad friends and friends to see no father later. True fucking player. Jump in the whip, I ain't coming with all your friends. Jump in the GM. I got the party by the truth.
Oh yeah, he got a screen and all up here. He doing the damn thing. Play the sport.
Everybody say they the man in the city, but they really ain't seeing no G. And everybody say they trapping them keys, get caught up and they telling police. Man, everybody say they carry a piece, when the piece come out, they go pee. Everybody wanna be the man in the streets, but first you gotta learn to keep it G.
100.
Said everybody wanna be the man in the streets, but first you gotta learn to keep it G.
Did they hear you?
Said everybody wanna be the man in the streets, but first you gotta learn to keep it G.
One more time.
Said everybody wanna be the man in the streets, but first you gotta learn to keep it G.
Let's get it.
Still tote get strapped with infrared beams. Chopping off, smoking line optimals, money, hoes, and clothes, all the niggas knows. A foolish pleasure, whatever. I had to find the buried treasure, so grams I have to measure. However, living better now, Gucci sweater now. Drop top BMs, I'm the man, girlfriend.
Honey, check it. Tell your friends to get with my friends. We could be friends. Sure, we could do this every weekend. That's right. Alright? Is that alright with you? Yeah. Keep banging.
I'm just tryna make a way. Yeah, I'm just tryna make a
Feels like I'm right where I'm supposed to be. Tell them it's a yeah. Been focusing on growth, you see. Leave the past in the real. Just keep it real, that's more importantly. And never show them no fear. Gave you my all, what more you want from me? But still I give, yeah. I'm right where I'm supposed to be. Tell them it's a yeah. Been focusing on growth, you see. Leave the past in the real. Just keep it real, that's more importantly. And never show them no fear. Gave you my all, what more you want from me? But still I give, yeah. I put it all on the line. I've invested money in the time. I bought my homies long for the ride. I kept it real, never lied.
Yeah, finna set up a GoPro action. See what's going on with the GoPro action.
I'm not gonna be right back. I'm gonna go to the place.
The first time I've ever heard something like this.
Alright, so you know, finna switch it up a little bit this year, man. We out here with the Bondage Breaker, man. 9th anniversary. It's top chart again, man. You know what I'm saying? It's always cool to come out here with the Bondage Breaker, man. Shoot a little bit, man. Put a little art out there in the world. We finna hook these GoPros up to them now, man.
It's not warm when she's away.
But don't forget to turn it too. Alright, we done set up the GoPro on the yellow thing right now. So, see, we got the GoPro 7 right now. That's going on the front of the bike.
Feels like I'm right where I'm supposed to be. Tell them it's a yeah. Been focusing on growth, you see. Leave the past in the real. Just keep it real, that's more importantly. And never show them no fear. Gave you my all, what more you want from me? But still I give, yeah. I'm right where I'm supposed to be. Tell them it's a yeah. Been focusing on growth, you see. Leave the past in the real. Just keep it real, that's more importantly. And never show them no fear. Gave you my all, what more you want from me? But still I give. Just telling my truth, you telling these lies. Wanna smoke my weed, just wanna get high. Ain't got no trust, nigga showing me fake love. My shooter gon' buzz, I ain't even gotta say nothing. Memories fade away, no I won't fade away. I had to find a way, taking it all the way. Down in the ATL, all the way from the seal. You know I'm keeping it real, giving that luxury feel. Smoke weed when I want to, in the backwood of a Fonto. We need it all like pronto, when you out here in the jungle. Lions, tigers and bears, the snakes in the grass, gotta watch when you step. Luxury, loyalty, royalty, yeah, we getting it all I respect. Smoking good weed in the sunshine, yeah, my whole team got the right mind. And we all move at the same time, hanging on the block like the clothesline. If you move wrong, you get clothesline. Don't come upon, it's a clothesline. Nigga wanna bowl, it's the wrong time. I done told y'all for the last time that I'm doing this shit. I'm true to this shit. Hey, I got the mob in this bitch, and we full of this shit. Luxury living and woodhead chillin', music over business. We handle our business forever, no switching. We get it together forever. Just telling my truth, you telling these lies. Wanna smoke my weed, just wanna get high. Ain't got no trust, nigga showing me fake love. My shooter gon' buzz, I ain't even gotta say nothing. Memories fade away, no I won't fade away. I had to find a way, taking it all the way. Down in the ATL, all the way from the seal. You know I'm keeping it real, giving that luxury feel.